G'day legends, it's your boy back with another normal video, I should say. I do apologise for the way I look. It's been a day, both mentally and physically, but nevertheless, bringing you guys another video. In this one, we're going to be unboxing another product, and the product we're going to be unboxing today is this bad boy. So, you guys are probably not aware, but the PC that I use to upload my videos isn't the greatest PC in the world, but it does the job as that for uploading and checking emails and doing etc. so forth. But I've been using the on-screen keyboard because it's an all-in-one PC and I don't have a keyboard for it. I do have a mouse, so that did come in clutch, but thankfully I had this bought for me, so very much appreciated, more than we'll ever know. So yeah, let's get to unboxing this bad boy. Alright. Oh, so pull tab, I keep forgetting, I just get straight into it. So pull tab, obviously, pull it up, comes up like that. Bada bing, bada boom, beautiful. Right. So when you first open the box, that is how you are greeted. All good, no drama. Pull it out of the box. Nothing else in the box. Comes with the little sticker thing there, so you guys can have a pause, have a read if you want to. And then we pull the keyboard out, and beautiful. Fairly solid, like it's got a bit of bend in it, but that actually feels really solid, and I'm going to get genuine years out of this, I believe. It also comes with a USB plug, which is awesome. It's not run off battery, which I do, but I don't like. So yeah, not bad, good size, front and back, wired, which is the one that I prefer the most because you get the best input when it's wired. So yeah, apart from that, nothing else to it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, dislike if you didn't, share the video around. Let's see how far we can take the video and the channel. Also, I would genuinely appreciate it if you guys would consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.